the video, now listen to me because you will discuss with me. Who can tell me in the clock? And if you know, what is the name of this clock? Huh? Yes, Muhammad?
It's 3 o'clock.
No, I don't mean what is the time.
Me, teacher, I know what is his name.
What is, sweetie?
Analog clock.
Super. Clap your hands for Rahma. Super, 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 super. Let me put some hearts for Rahma. Great work. So, the name of this clock is called analog clock. Thanks, Rahma. Again, what is the name, teacher, of this clock? This clock, what you can see here, it is called analog clock. There is any other clock, teacher? Yes, we have another clock which shows us the numbers in digits. And it is called digital clock. Okay, so this is analog clock. In the analog clock, who can tell me what can you see on the analog clock? Who can explain what he can see on the analog clock here? Sorry, here. Huh? I want someone else rather than Muhammad and Rahma. Anyone else can tell us? What can you, how can you describe? Yes, Noreen, how can you describe the analog clock? We have what on the analog clock? Huh?
No.
Hmm?
In the clock, we have 3 minutes.
We have what and what?
3 o'clock.
The time here is 3 o'clock, but I'm not asking about the time. I'm asking to describe the clock. Huh? What are these?
Hour and the minutes.
Yes, hour and the minutes what? Huh? Talk to me. Hour and the minutes? Hand. Hour and the minutes what, Noreen? Hand. Can you tell me which one is the minutes hand?
The taller, the long hand is the minutes.
Super, super, super.
And
the longer and the taller hand, the teacher, this one, this is the minutes hand.
And the short one is the hour hand.
This is the hour hand. That's a great. So in any clock, we have 2 hands, the minutes clock and the hours clock. Mama. Do you know that these hands can speak? Yeah?
No.
Yeah, they tell us the time. They don't speak like us. They don't speak like us. They just help us to see the time. So if any of them is going to tell us the time, what will they do? How they will speak? The minutes, the hours hand said what? The hours hand said that, oh, I can say only the numbers in front of me. So the hours hand here, what can he say? He can say for example, he can say the 3. He can read the numbers here like the 3, the 2, the 1, the 4. He just read the number, he looks to. What about the minutes hand? The minutes hand also say the number he is looking to? No. What will he say? Who can know? Who can tell me how the minutes hand speak? He can't say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. What can he say? Yes, Rahma?
5, 10, 15, 20.
Yeah, when he looks to any of these numbers, he just say, he kept counting by 5. So if he looks to the number 1, he's going to say 5. If he's going to look to number 2, he's gonna say 10. Huh? Who can complete with me? 15.
15, 20, 25, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 65.
And the last thing is what? Focus. The last thing is what? Have you ever seen anyone saying the time is 2 and 60? No. We never read it as 60. When we comes here, we are going to write 0, 0, and we will read it as
o'clock.
Super. We're gonna say it as a clock. Here, we reached 60 minutes. And when we reach the 60 minutes, the counter will start from the beginning again, and he will start to say 0. In this case, I will say clock, just like now. When you look to the hour hand is going to say 3, and the minutes hand will say what? O'clock. So when you see the minutes hand is looking to the number 12, you will say what? O'clock. What will you say?
O'clock.